do this different there? Slammed it, right?
Wow, yeah. He was like, I wasn't expecting it.
Okay, so there's two ways. Either you can just 180 out and then it just drops, or you get enough speed, and when you're right at the edge, you kind of like push your foot forward. Yes! Yes!
180.
Go, dude, yes! That was it. I want to clip that. Just taught Body how to do his first crooks. Let's go! That felt so cool. Let's go! Oh my god.
Oh,
let's go!
Yeah, bro.
I am super stoked. I landed that crook nollie heel or flip heel or whatever you want to call it. Also just got fakie inward heels as well, which never done before, but now I got them. So
Set up my new board.
and we just set up Chase's new board. Thank you to Tuxedo Skateboards for hooking that up.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you for taking the photos, bro. Those look amazing, but there's one problem. One issue.
What?
There's one issue, dude.
What?
Where the hell is your brain bucket?
No.
Girl!
I'm doing ollies. That should be fine.
Should be fine, he says.
Then I'm gonna
Yeah.